Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with ninth class maths linear equations in two variables. In the previous class I have given you introduction and some try these problems we have done. Now I am doing 6.1 exercise. See the first problem of 6.5 exercise, 6.1 exercise is express the following in ax plus by plus c form and indicate ABC in each case. This is what is given. So, first problem that they have given is 8x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. You need to indicate it in the form of ax plus by plus c. So, you can even write 8x plus 5y plus of minus 3 is equal to 0. So that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, what is a children? A is coefficient of x, 8. What is b? Coefficient of y, 5. What is c? Constant term, minus 3. So these are the answers for the first bit. And second bit, 28x minus 35y is equal to minus 7. So first bring this 7 here. 28x minus 35y plus 7 is equal to 0. This can be written as 28x plus of minus 35y plus 7 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? Coefficient of x 28. What is b? Coefficient of y minus 35. What is c? 7. These are the answers for the second bit, children. Now let us see the third bit. What is third bit? 93x is equal to 12 minus 15y. That means 93x minus 15y when it comes here plus 15y minus 12 is equal to 0. That means 93x plus 15y plus of minus 12 is equal to 0. So plus of minus 12 we have written to convert it into ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? X coefficient 93, by coefficient 15, constant term c minus 12. These are the answers for this third bit, children. Now let us go for the fourth bit. Fourth bit, 2x is equal to minus 5y. So I'll write 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Ax plus by is there, c is not there. That means 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. C place, if it is 0 only, it is not mentioned. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0 are the answers for this bit. Now, fifth bit. Fifth bit is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. Most convenient one is take LCM 12. 3 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4x plus 4 3s are 3 into y. 3y is equal to 7. So how much are you getting? 4x plus 3y is equal to 84. So 4x plus 3y minus 84 is equal to 0. This can be written as 4x plus 3y plus of minus 84 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 84. This is the answer, children. Next, sixth bit. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2x. That means send this to here. 2y is equal to minus 3x, means 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 3x, when it comes here, plus 3x, that means 3x plus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. So as we have done here, where in this problem somewhere we have done, no, see here we have come to 0 because there is no c. Here also there is no c, 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 0. These are the answers for this bit, children. Now, seventh one, 3x plus 5y is equal to 12. That means 3x plus 5y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, you can write it as 3x plus 5y plus of minus 12 is equal to 0. So, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 12 is the answer, children. So, these are the solutions for this problem. First problem, please note it down. Children, according to your textbook answer, this is given in another way, fifth and sixth. Means how I have done in try these problems in the same way. I did it like this because even this method is not incorrect. It is not wrong, children. This way also you can do. But let me do what is there at the back of your textbook. It is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. It is taken as x by 3 plus y by 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. That means it is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 4y plus of minus 7 is equal to 0. In this case, a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 1 by 4, c is equal to minus 7. So, this is the answer that is given in your textbook, children. This is the answer given in your textbook. So, either this method or this method, both are correct only. It is not that they are incorrect. This is wrong. It is not wrong, children. In this way, you are going to do in the future sums. It is needed to learn this method also. So, you understand this. This is taking LCM. We made it in the form of ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. Otherwise, directly by taking the values, you will be getting this. So let me do like that for sixth one also. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2x is there. That means 3 by 2x plus y is equal to 0. There is no c, so 3 by 2x plus y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a is taken as 3 by 2, b is taken as 1, c is taken as 2. So these are the two answers given in your textbook. But if you do in this way also, there is no mistake, children. You can do them in this way also. This will give you the perfect ax plus by plus c value. Here you are getting the rational numbers here. That's all. Anyway, you can do, children. Just for your information sake, I am doing this. Please note it down. Whichever you find it easy, you can do in that way. There is no harm. Second problem, children. This is also same way. Write the following in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Indicate a, b, c in each the case. First one is 2x is equal to 5. That means what, children? 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means in this place x is not there. So y is not there. X is given, but y is not there. So in the place of y, you write 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 into y is 0 only. That is why there is no value given here. So a value is 2, b value is 0, c value is minus 5. These are the answers of the first bit, children. Now, second bit, y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means there is no x here. That means 0x plus y means 1y, plus of minus 2 is equal to 0. So A value is 0, B value is 1, C value is minus 2. These are the answers for second bit. Now third bit, y minus 7 is equal to 3. So here also, we'll write it first, y minus 7 minus y by 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is y by 7 is equal to 3. So y by 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. There is no x value. So x you take 0x plus 1 by 7y plus of minus 3 is equal to 0. You have written ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. B is equal to 1 by 7, C is equal to minus 3 are the answers for this problem. Now, fourth bit, y is equal to minus 3 by 2x. Sorry, fourth bit is not this, this is first one. So here, fourth bit, x is equal to minus 14 by 13. Means what, children? X plus 14 by 13 is equal to 0. There is no y. So we'll write x means 1x plus 0y plus 14 by 13 is equal to 0. That means A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 14 by 13. These are the answers for second problem. Please note down. Now, third problem, children. Express the following statements in linear equations in two variables. Statements are given to you, children. First one, sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 34. So, children, remember one thing. For any statement, definitely you will be having two values or two variables will be there in that. So first, when you are reading the statement, you should understand what are the two statements, two variables. After knowing the variables, you can write the equation according to the statement very easily. So here what you have, two statements, two numbers are there. So let the first number is equal to x and second number is equal to y. Now, according to the problem, what did they say? Sum of two numbers. Sum means addition. X plus y is equal to 34. So, this is a linear equation in two variables. If you want to write it as is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you can write x plus y minus 34 is equal to 0. So, any one out of these two is correct, children. Now, the second bit, the cost of a ball pen is rupees 5. Rupees 5 less than rupees 5 less than half the cost of fountain pen. Half the cost of fountain pen. This is the statement. The cost of ball pen is 5 rupees less than half the cost of fountain pen. So what are the two variables given here? Ball pen and fountain pen. So let ball pen cost of, we will say it is cost of, no? So I'll write let the cost of ball pen. Let the cost of ball pen is equal to rupees x and the cost of fountain pen is equal to rupees y. So what does the problem says? According to the problem, what does the problem says? The cost of a ball pen, that is x, is that is equal to 5 less than half of the fountain pen. Fountain pen is y, half of fountain pen. For this 5 less. Okay, so how will you write? X minus 1 by 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation that you are getting. You can even write it as, if you want to convert as base 2, if you take LCM 2 here, as LCM 2, you are getting 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can consider this or this. In two ways you can write the answer. So either one way is this. What did I do? I have taken LCM of this because it is in rational number. I have taken LCM, and this is x means x by 1. So I will be getting 2x. This is same denominator, so I will be getting y as it is. And sorry, this is 5. No, 5 means you will be getting 5 2s are 10. 1 means 5 2s are 10 here. So here also you will be getting 10. So this is the answer, children, for this. So anyone you can take, either this or in that way you can take, children. Please note it down. Now third bit, children. Third bit is Bhargavi got 10 more marks than double the marks of Sindhu. So two variables here, Bhargavi and Sindhu. The problem is dealing with the marks. So let the marks obtained by Bhargavi is equal to x, and the marks obtained means getting, children, by Sindhu is y. Now what does the problem says? According to the problem, let us understand the statement. Bhargavi got 10 marks more than double the marks of Sindhu. Means Bhargavi is having 10 marks more. Means when this, from this if you take out 10, then that will be equal to double the marks of Sindhu. I hope I am clear, children. Bhargavi got 10 more marks than double the marks of Sindhu. Whatever marks Sindhu has got, double of it if you do also, that has got 10 marks less than Bhargavi, because Bhargavi got 10 more marks. So from the Bhargavi marks, if you subtract 10, that will be equal to 2 times Sindhu marks. That means x minus 2y, x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0 is the equation that you are getting basing on this bit, children. And fourth one, cost of a pencil. Cost of a pencil is rupees 2. Cost of a ball pen and cost of a ball pen is rupees 15. Sheila pays rupees 100 for both. That is for pencil and for pen. So this you have to write an equation. I have simplified a little bit, simplified the problem from your textbook, children, because I want only the content. If you want to go through the correct one, you can use the textbook and get it, children. So cost, here two variables are what, children? Pencil and ball pen. Okay, so let the cost of pencil is rupees 2 and cost of ball pen is 15. So here ball pen cost, pencil cost he has given, and also they said that she has paid 100 rupees. 100 rupees for what she has paid? For some pencils and some ball pens. So what are the variables that we need to take? We have to take variables for number of pencils and number of ballpoint pens. So let the number of pencils, let the number of pencils is equal to x. So according to problem, what is the cost? Cost will be equal to 2x rupees, because one pencil is x, 2 rupees, x pencils 2x rupees. Then let the number of ballpoint pens, you consider it as y. Then according to problem, cost is nothing but each one is costing 15. It is 15y. Okay. So now total amount paid. How much amount she has paid? Amount paid. Amount paid is rupees 100. That means what we can say, 2x rupees plus 15y rupees is equal to 100. Why? Because they said one pencil is costing 2 rupees and one ballpoint pen is costing 15 rupees. Since she has paid 100 rupees, that means she has not purchased one pencil, one ballpoint pen. If you add these two, 17 rupees only you are getting. But she paid 100 rupees means she has purchased some pencils and some pens. How many pencils she has purchased, how many pens she has purchased, we don't know. They have not given. But what is given to us here? Total amount that she has spent is given. That is 100 rupees. So we are considering number of pencils as x, number of pens as y. So one pencil is costing 5 rupees means 2 rupees means x pencils are costing 2x rupees, and one pen is costing 15 rupees means y pens cost 15y rupees. So these two put together you are getting 100 rupees. Why? Because she has paid 100 rupees. So the cost of these two is 100. So how will you write it as, children? 2x plus 15y minus 100 is equal to 0. It should be the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, fifth bit, children. Fifth bit is Yamini and Fatima. Yamini and Fatima of class 9 together contributed 200 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Means some amount is contributed by Yamini and some amount is contributed by Fatima. So let the amount contributed by Yamini is equal to rupees x and Fatima is equal to rupees y. So according to problem, total amount they have contributed. Here I will write that also. Total amount is 200 rupees. Is 200 rupees. So according to problem, x plus y is equal to 200. That means this implies x plus y minus 200 is equal to 0. This is fifth bit, children. So sixth bit is very lengthy. So you just copy this. I'll be doing the sixth bit, children. Sixth bit, children. Sixth bit is the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 121. If the digits of units and tens places are x and y respectively, you have to find. So first let us have an idea about, I'll do it in the rough column, about a two-digit number. See, you have got units digit and tens digit. Suppose I have taken a number 38. 38. 8 is in units place and 3 is in digits place. So if you want to write its expansion form, what you will write, children? 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1, that is 30 plus 8 you will be writing. This is the expansion form. Now when you reverse it, on reversing, what you will be getting? Units digit and tens digit. Units digit becomes tens digit. Tens digit becomes units digit. That means now what will be having to the number? 8 should be multiplied by 10 plus 3 should be multiplied by 1. It is 80 plus 3. So see the numbers. This point, this concept you should have in the mind to do this sum, children. Units digit, tens digit. So whatever is a tens digit should be multiplied by 10 to get the value, and units digit as it is you will take. So what is the problem says? The digits in units and tens places are x and y. So what is units place digit? Units place digit is how much? See, tens, units and tens places are x and y respectively. Means respectively means units digit becomes x, tens digit becomes y. So units digit is x, then tens place digit is equal to y. So what is the number, children? The number will be, as I said here, it is units and tens. Units is x, tens is y. So what are you getting here? 10y plus x. The number is 10y plus x. Now on reversing the number, what will be the units digit? Units place digit, whatever is the tens place digit, that becomes units place digit, and tens place digit, tens place digit is whatever is in units place, that becomes a tens place. So what is the number? The number is, what are you getting here, children? Units place, tens place. Units place you have y, tens place you have x. So you are getting 10x plus y. Okay, children. Now, what does the problem says? According to problem, what did they say? The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by it. This is two-digit number 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 121. This is the rough work that I have taught, children. This is a rough work. So don't consider it as main thing. Just I have given it for the explanation of this side, this part. So 10x, but 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 121. That is 11y plus 11x is equal to 121. In these two, you can take 11 as common. Y plus x is equal to 121. So y plus x is equal to 121 by 11. 11 11 jar 121. So you can write it as x plus y is equal to 11. This becomes the answer for this problem, children. I hope I am clear to you. Listen 2-3 times to this problem, then you will have a clear understanding about it. How the units and tens places varies, I have done it here, children. This rough work will help you to understand this concept. Please note it down. So with this, I am concluding my part. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.